My lights went out.
Did it just shut off on you?
Yeah, sure did. Damn. I wonder if my circuit breaker died. Because I'm not getting any power.
Yeesh. Yeah, you're not. Try starting it?
No, nothing.
Maybe it just disconnected.
It's on. Okay.
What about the ground?
Grounds are under the seat here. Those all are there. I did bring everything I need to pull the, well, we can push it off the road here, but
Yeah, just a little bit off.
so we're not gonna get hit.
Why you do that?
I like felt it. I was like losing power. Like, what the f? Okay. See what's going on here. Get this out of the way here. This is just to get it out of the way of the seat.
Oh.
The seat like hits it.
Oh, okay.
It's so annoying. And I always keep it up, but it rattles down. I gotta fucking weld it one of these days.
Yeah,
oh, you know what I don't have though? Is a 5 mil. Problem is I don't have a 5 mil, so I don't think I can get into that. Because this is this is bigger. Well, even if I could get into there, there's not much I can do. I know it's obviously an electrical problem though. Is there something stupid? It's undone. I see him. It's all together. It's plugged in. The what's that?
Ground?
Yeah, all the grounds are right here.
Oh, okay.
This one here.
Damn,
and then the tail light.
Something in there.
Yeah, it's got to be a fuse blown or the circuit breaker, because that's little. I have no electrical, and that's all together, right? Yeah, that's still all in there. Yeah, so it's got to be that. Those are still on. Well, shit. Yup. Bobber breakdown. Thing. Not sure what happened here, but we got our first bobber breakdown, folks. Martin's going back to go get some tools. Yeah.
You all right?
Yeah, my friend's actually with me. He just went back to my house.
Cool. What happened to it?
Something electrical. I'm not
Right
too
on.
sure, but yeah.
All right, man.
Thank you
Never
for
pass a
stopping.
brother up,
I
dude.
appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Take care, man.
You too. Nice guy. Never pass a brother up. Did you hear that, folks? Something bounced around. I guess I could show this to YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this. Cars are coming every which way. But if you haven't seen it, I 3D printed this little electronics box. It's got the switch for the headlight, and it houses everything in there. And inconveniently, I forgot my 5mm, so Martin is going back to my pad to go grab one for me. So there's a nice guy. Wonder if that's what fucked it up. I don't know. So yeah, clearly an electronical well, I don't know if it's clear, but I'm assuming it's an electronic issue. And we'll go from there. Bobber breakdown. Okay. New rule of thumb. Always got to have the 5mm with me. There is no better place to break down than Lake Tahoe. Yo. Yeah, I think so. The little, like a black voltage regulator. I don't know if it's still there or not. But yeah. Okay, cool. I'll see you soon. Thank you. See ya. What a G. Martin, thank you. I know you're stressing it out right now at my house. If anything, dude, we'll just push this thing in the woods and pick it up tomorrow or some shit. Bobber breakdown. This is why this is the shakedown run, folks. This is it. We're doing it. Just alerting the fools. in the group chat. Group chats rule everything around me, dude. If you're not in a group chat, you must have real friends. For the rest of us, though. I hear him. Yeah. My savior. My hero. Looking tough, dude. F***ing AAA roadside. Alright, let's get this. Set this up back here. Talking to my f***ing camera here. Yeah, we're all good. Thank you.